Hey there, fabulous viewers. Welcome back to our channel, where we make tech simple and fun. Today, we're tackling a super practical topic: how to find birthdays on Facebook in 2025. Whether you're planning a surprise for a friend or just want to stay on top of celebrations, this guide will have you covered in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Facebook account. Open the app on your phone or head to facebook.com on your computer. Once you're in, you'll land on your homepage feed. This is your starting point. Now, look for the Birthdays section. It's usually right at the top of your feed, showing upcoming birthdays of your friends. Facebook makes it easy by highlighting these so you don't miss out. If you don't see it there, don't worry. Tap on the Events tab, which is often found in the menu bar. Inside Events, there's a dedicated area for birthdays. Scroll through, and you'll find a list of friends celebrating their big day soon. Pro tip: if you're using the mobile app, swipe over to the notifications bell. Facebook often sends reminders for birthdays there. Another way is to visit a specific friend's profile. Search for their name in the search bar at the top, click on their profile, and check the About section or their timeline for birthday info. Keep in mind, though, that privacy settings might hide this from you. If that's the case, you might need to ask them directly or wait for public posts. By 2025, Facebook might have even more integrated features, like personalized birthday reminders in your feed or AI suggestions, but the basics remain the same. Always respect privacy. Don't share or use this info without permission. There you have it. With these simple steps, you'll never forget a birthday again. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below on your favorite way to celebrate. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.